So today we're going to put this little guy over and get it installed on O2. So Mid Muffler Delete, give it a pretty nice aggressive rumble, kind of similar to how the Scat Pack is set up. I'm going to do a weight reduction measurement too, because this thing is significantly lighter than what that drum that's on the truck right now should weigh. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to soak these clamps in some penetrating oil. So hopefully try and get everything freed up a little bit. Truck only has 37,000 miles on it now, so you would assume that these would be fairly easy to get off, but we all know working on anything that seems like it should be easy never is. Of course, all the bolts are on the opposite side. That makes it harder for no real good reason. Damn it. Okay.
Thick.
The stock muffler is now off. I went ahead and weighed it. There is a 20.5 pound difference between the two of these. That's I mean, it's not significant, but still, that's 20 pounds that doesn't have to be there. So at least installing won't be as bad, hopefully. Getting these things off, like this side wasn't as bad, especially once I got the rubbers off. Getting the tailpipes off really kicked my ass. So we're gonna crawl back underneath there and start working on getting this put back on. That's the first part. Now we gotta get back here to the tailpipes. Get those lined up. Close to me. Much better. Alright, so got the muffler delete installed, and obviously it sounds significantly better than the stock with basically no exhaust note at all. Idles had a nice deep rumble, and then of course just like the Scat Pack, you get on it and it screams. It's really not too obnoxious while with the windows up, so like you can have a full-fledged conversation and it doesn't even interrupt it at all, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bothered by that at all. I feel like I felt some drone around $2,000, but probably not very much. But that was also with the windows down. Right now I'm not feeling any at all. So I think it was a good purchase. It was a kind of like an eBay style find, but on Amazon, where basically it's a Chinese, Y pipe with the flange and stuff on there. The inlets on the mufflers are, I feel like, slightly, just like a sliver too large. But with the compression clamps, it basically took that out of there. Yeah. Got the GoPro slapped to the bumper just to record the exhaust note, so, yep. Guys, come back for another video later, huh?